Welcome to the Starlink antenna installation guide. Step 1. Download the Starlink app from the App Store or Play Store. Step 2. Search for a place as far away from the installed antennas with a clear view of the sky. Step 3. Use the Starlink application app to scan the sky. Please note to make sure that this place is suitable for the antenna installation, otherwise try again with another location. Step 5. After finding the appropriate place to install the antenna, the fitter should prepare a custom base to screw the antenna mount onto. Step 6. Screw the two bases together using the 4 spacers and secure the base to the final location. Please note, the 2 screws with the blue mark should be screwed to the back of the antenna on the side of the plug. Step 7. Place the antenna on top of the antenna mount and tighten the screws. Step 8. Pass the 25-meter antenna cable from the antenna mount to the VSAT rack. Please note, the bigger plug of the cable will be connected with the antenna, while the smaller plug will be connected to the PoE adapter. Step 9. Place the antenna cable into the socket. It is properly placed when you hear a click sound. Step 10. Secure the cable. Please note, make sure there is at least 1 meter of the antenna cable available. In this box you may find the below deck units. The 2 white modules are the PoE adapter and the Wi-Fi access point. For this installation, the Wi-Fi access point will not be needed. Step 11. Disconnect the Wi-Fi access points from the PoE adapter and instead connect the Starlink Ethernet cable. Step 12. Disconnect the 8-meter antenna cable and connect instead the 25-meter cable. The 8-meter cable will not be used for this installation. Now let's see this step put into action. Step 13. Find a free space for the PoE adapter installation inside the cybersecurity rack and secure its base. Step 14. Connect the PoE adapter to the FortiGate through the DMZ port using the Starlink Ethernet cable. Finally, connect the PoE adapter to 2 20-volt AC UPS sockets.